Here's the twist. You don't need a silver tongue to attract women in your 20s. You need silent charisma. The kind of calm presence anime masters use to win rooms without a speech. Think Levi's stare, Gojo's effortless aura, Spike's whatever cool, Itachi's emotional control, and Sanji's poised charm. Today, I'll show you how to build that presence step by step so you can win without talking much. No cringe scripts, no fake swagger. Ready? Engage, star, ride. In the next minute, you'll learn why most guys accidentally talk themselves out of attraction, and the first tiny drill to build silent charisma tonight. By the end, you will have 5 character-tested habits to carry into dates, classrooms, clubs, and life. Silent charisma is non-verbal leadership. Stillness, eye contact, pace, subtle humor, and decisive action. It's the opposite of over-explaining. Women feel it before you speak. In anime terms, it's hacky without the shout. The room registers you're solid, safe, and interesting. Quick disclaimer, this is entertainment and self-growth only, not therapy and not a manipulation guide. Respect, consent, and humanity first. Learn the skill, keep your soul. 3 traps knock guys off the board. Trap 1. Nervous flood. You overshare to fill silence. Attraction drops because mystery dies. Trap 2. Value monologue. You try to prove you're worthy. Resume mode. That's performance, not presence. Trap 3. Passive drift. You say nothing and do nothing. Silence turns from confident to absent. Tonight, we fix all 3 with 5 character drills that build anime-level silent charisma. Levi, Gojo, Spike, Itachi, Sanji, each one a different lane of attraction. Here's your training arc. Every drill is 60% story, 40% action. Use them in conversations, on dates, and even at work. You'll attract women without trying to impress because your behavior will speak first. Levi walks in and everyone calibrates. He doesn't rush, he plants his feet. He scans, chooses, then speaks with surgical words. That stillness is magnetic. The brain reads it as competence and safety. Lesson: slow is strong. Fast speech and fidgeting signal anxiety. Levi's 3 pillars: posture tall, eyes steady, movements clean. No jitter, no chair rocking, no straw chewing. Run the 3-3-3 Levi loop for a week. 3-second arrival. When you enter a room, pause. Breathe once through the nose, shoulders down. 3-second eye contact. When greeting someone, hold a calm gaze for 1, 2, 3. Then smile slightly. 3 clean motions. Sit, place phone down, fold hands or rest forearms, no fidgeting. Do this at cafes, class, and with friends until your body knows the rhythm. If you tighten your jaw like you're about to fight titans, relax. Levi is calm, not constipated. Gojo Satoru is chaos wrapped in silk. He's playful, teasing, and unpredictable, but he never chases validation. That's the trick. Lightness without need. Women clock it instantly. Own the frame, don't perform it. A little mischief plus boundaries equals magnetic. Gojo's style, playful interruption, tiny compliment, then change topic. He keeps the vibe fresh, not thirsty. Use the Gojo triangle in conversation. 1. Tease lightly about something harmless. You're the kind of person who organizes their fries by size, aren't you? 2. Compliment once. Specific and brief. Your laugh is dangerously contagious. 3. Pivot to a new thread. Okay, tell me your wildly unpopular food take. Keep it airy. No fishing for praise back. You're a breeze, not a vacuum. If she roasts you back, congrats. You just unlocked co-op mode. Spike doesn't rush. He speaks like he has all day, even when the ship is on fire. That unhurried pace is pure charisma. The nervous system copies what it hears. Your voice can calm the table. Slow your tempo, lower your volume, shorten your sentences. That trifecta screams confidence. Silence turns from awkward to intentional. Try Spike count 2 beat for every answer tonight. Inhale, 2 beat pause, then speak. Keep sentences short. End with periods, not question marks. Example, what do you do? 2 beats. Editing, small studio. I like making rough footage look clean. Then pivot a question back, but slow. What's your favorite film opening? Your job isn't to impress, it's to set the pace. If you start narrating like a noir detective, pull back. Smooth, not parody. Itachi carries heavy choices with a quiet center. He doesn't overshare, he doesn't gossip, and he doesn't react to bait. That restraint reads as depth. In dating, boundaries are attractive because they signal self-respect. Hold the line on your values and share selectively. You can be honest without bleeding your diary on the first coffee. Curiosity needs space. Adopt the Itachi boundary script. Short, kind, firm. On pressure, I don't rush decisions. If it's right, it'll still be right tomorrow. On oversharing, there's more to that story, but I don't share it early. Ask me again if we keep talking. On disrespect, I'm not cool with that tone. Let's reset or wrap. Use it rarely, but mean it every time. Warning, using the Itachi script on group chats may cause sudden silence and unexpected respect. Sanji is proof you can be smooth without being slimy. He's courteous, poised, and attentive. He notices hair, posture, energy, then serves the moment. Grace is rare. That's why it stands out. Competence plus kindness equals magnetic. You can be soft with people and firm with standards. Run the Sanji service scan on every date or group hang. Entrance, hold the door. Small smile. After you, table. Phone face down, eyes up. Listen fully. Noticing. Offer one sincere specific compliment. Voice, earrings, book, effort. Logistics. Pay smoothly if you invite. If she reaches, let her. Then say, the next one is yours. Exit. Stand, light touch on shoulder or wave. Eye contact. I enjoyed that. Let's talk again. It's not 1950s theater. It's present tense respect. If you attempt a rose in the teeth entrance, I'm unsubscribing and resubscribing out of concern. Imagine this. Small cafe, low music. You walk in, Levi, pause at the door. Eye scan, half smile. You sit. Spike pace, phone face down, shoulder relaxed. She arrives. You stand. Sanji warmth after you. Conversation flows. Gojo lightness. Playful, tease. One clean compliment. New thread. A tough question pops up. You breathe. Itachi control. I don't rush that. Ask me again. The date ends. I enjoyed that. Let's talk again. You didn't deliver a TED talk. You delivered presence. Let's break 5 myths fast. Myth 1. Women only want loud alphas. Reality. Calm confidence wins. Levi barely speaks. Spike barely tries. Myth 2. Silence means boring. Silence with intention equals tension. Mystery pulls questions out of people. Myth 3. Compliments are cringy. Reality. Vague compliments are. Specific plus brief equals charm. Myth 4. Boundaries push people away. Reality. Healthy boundaries attract healthy people. Myth 5. You need lines. Reality. You need presence, pace, and kindness. Lines are seasoning, not the meal. Lightning round. Question 1. I'm shy. Won't this make me colder? Shy is fine, cold is not. Pair stillness with warmth. Eye contact, half smile, and listening. Question 2. How long do I hold eye contact? 3 seconds in greeting, and then in and out as you speak. If you feel locked, glance to lips or eyebrows, return. Question 3. What if she talks a lot and I barely get a word in? Great. Be the best listener she's met. Summarize her point in one line. Ask a thoughtful question, then add a short story of your own. 5 moves to run this week. 1. Levi loop. 3-second arrival. 3-second greeting gaze. 3 clean motions. 2. Spike pace. 2-beat pause before speaking. Short sentences. End on periods. 3. Gojo triangle. Tease lightly. 1 specific compliment and then pivot topic. 4. Itachi script. Write 3 boundary lines you'll actually use. 5. Sanji scan. Door, phone down, sincere noticing, smooth logistics, clear exit. Silent charisma isn't magic. It's Levi's stillness, Gojo's playful frame, Spike's pace, Itachi's control, and Sanji's polished warmth. Use them and you'll attract women in your 20s without over-talking or overselling. Presence first, words second. Drop your favorite drill in the comments and tell me where you'll test it out at. Join our Discord for accountability and live feedback. Link below. We go live Thursdays at 7 p.m. Central for Q&A, hot seats, and shoutouts. Under the glow of stars, we forge our future together. Captain Gio Bravo signing off. Until next time, friends. Peace.